Hi, my name's Mia, and this is my vibe coding website that I did using Cursor. So first off, I just want to start off by saying that I wanted to create a digital art gallery, something that people could submit their artwork and then get it noticed via online instead of an actual art gallery, just because it's easier to access than for some people than just going to a gallery in person. So this is the final design that I came up with. I will say that when I was using Cursor, there was a usage limit, so I wasn't able to get everything that I wanted to fixed and put together, but this is just a demo on what I was able to do in with the usage that I was able to use with my education license on Cursor. Anyways, it came up with the name Canvas Collective here. This is our homepage, hero page. I wanted there to be like featured art here, where this like gallery area is with the floating frames, and then there is a submit your artwork and explore gallery page. You can click on the explore gallery and it will take you to the gallery page where there is a filter by artist, mediums, and then like newest and oldest and art names, artist names, artwork titles. And then there's 24 of them, and then you can just like scroll down and look at all of them. Then if we go back to home, unfortunately, or I guess this button works. Then you can go down to the submit your artwork part, but it is all part of the home screen. The only page that I was able to make that wasn't the home page was a gallery. So just because I didn't get any time or usage to be able to do that. So if we scroll down here, you can see what's new in the gallery. It'll show you like featured artworks here with all these frames, kind of asymmetrical floating grid. Again, you can click this and go back to all of the art galleries. Something I wish I could fix is that I asked the AI to make this button go to the gallery page. It doesn't. And then as you're scrolling through the home page, it does go through each of these little navigation things. But when I did ask it to link everything to the gallery page, including this, it stopped working on this. So that's something I'd go back and fix if I had the time slash usage. Then back to the submit your artwork area. It's got some images, floating images, words, basically telling the artist what they could do in our community. So you can just fill out this little thing, and luckily it actually lets you like type stuff in there, which is pretty cool. You can select a category, drag and drop files and submit your artwork, or sorry, social media link, and then you can submit it. So that's pretty cool. And then there's a meet our artist page so that you can see who's on the gallery right now. Can't click that just because there is no artist page yet. And then there's a donation section slash support section where it gives you some like statistics on like where the money's going, who's being supported, and then there's also just like areas that you can donate slash also custom donations, because sometimes you may not have $5, you could maybe spare one, and even $1 is enough. And then it kind of like goes over like your impact and what you're doing. And then yeah, that is the full website that Cursor had created for me. I think it did a pretty good job at making like the vibe I guess I was going for to an extent. I think it was a little too like professional, and as one of my colleagues said, it like kind of looked like a tax website. So if I could go back, I'd probably fix some of the aesthetic stuff, just navigation stuff, and also making sure all the buttons and the picture, all the buttons work and all the pictures work as well. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and that is my vibe coding website.